बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बिश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़्दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. In the continuation of abbreviations, today also we cover the other abbreviations. So commonly used abbreviations in our daily life, office, and another part of the life. So HP, horsepower. The HP is used in electrical motors generally. Okay. HQA, Hilale Qaid-e Azam. IACP, Investment Advisory Center of Pakistan. IATA, International Air Transport Association. In the field of the aviation, we use to spell this word IATA. IATA. It is IATA, IATA, International Air Transport Association. Okay, IBM, International Business Machine. Sometime we come to see some laptops or computer accessories, computer CPUs made from the IBM. IBM is a company and its abbreviation is International Business Machines. Okay. IBRD, International Bank of Reconstruction and Development. ICAO, International Civil Aviation Organization. ICBM, International Ballistic Missile. ICBM, Intercontinental Ballistic Missile. I read again. ICBM, Intercontinental Ballistic Missile. ICJ, International Court of Justice. As we know that ICJ, International Court of Justice, is in at Hague. Okay. ICS, Indian Civil Services. IDA, International Development Authority. EDBP, Industrial Development Bank of Pakistan. EDBP, Industrial Development Bank of Pakistan. IG, Inspector General. ILO, International Labour Organization. IMF, International Monetary Fund. Yes, usually we listen this word commonly when IMF loan revised for our country. Generally, we know that IMF, that it is International Monetary Fund. IOU, IOU, IOU. Okay, IPU, International Postal Unit. IRBM, Intermediate Range Ballistic Missile. IRO, International Refugee Organization. ISSB, Inter Services Selection Board. As we know that on intermediate basis in the Defence Forces of Pakistan, students apply for commission services, Army, Navy and Air Force, midshipman in Navy and flying officer in Pakistan Air Force and a second lieutenant in Army. So for the post of the commission service in the Defence Forces of Pakistan, individual candidate has to appear in ISSB, Inter Services Selection Board. In Pakistan, there are 4 Inter Services Selection Boards. It is in the cities like Kohat, Gujranwala, Karachi and Quetta. So it's and ITO, International Trade Organization or Income Tax Officer, ITO. Okay, JCO, Junior Commission Officers. So generally, the junior JCO and junior commission officer is used for the defense forces of Pakistan. This is the rank. Okay. Okay. JD, diploma in journalism. JP, Justice of Peace. KDA, Karachi Development Authority. KDA, there are other KDA also, Cohort Development Authority. I know that. Okay. KKK, Ku Klux Klan, group of American white racists. So KPT, Karachi Port Trust. Karachi Port Trust deals with the business or with the cargo on seaport, Karachi seaport, or at Bin Qasim, or in Bin Qasim and Karachi seaport. Okay, at Kimadi. KW, kilowatt. KWH, kilowatt, or LAT dot. Latitude, Latin. LH, pound, weight. LB, it's LB, pound, the unit of the weight measuring in British. Okay. IHW, leg before wicket. LBW, it is LBW, sorry, it's LBW, leg before wicket. In the term of the cricket, it is the term of the cricket match whenever bowler bowling and the batsman playing the ball, so sometime ball did not touch the bat, it touches the pad, so and got out, the candidate or the player got out, leg before wicket, LBW. So this is all for today. Inshallah, next video will cover all the other abbreviations used. Actually, this is a book from I am reading about the abbreviations. So if we collect some, it is difficult, so it is good to read all for the candidates. Thank you. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में पाकिस्तान सखर फोर्सेस एकेडमी के हवाले से दूसरी वीडियो इंशाल्लाह अपलोड करेंगे. अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू.